Need to move money from your Capital One credit card to your UK bank account. It's not as straightforward as a regular transfer, but I'll show you a workaround. First, log into your Capital One mobile app or visit their website. Find the option to pay bills or make a payment. This is where we'll initiate a funds transfer, but not directly to your bank. Instead of paying your Capital One bill, you're going to add your own UK bank account as a new payee. Enter your UK bank account details, including the account number, sort code, and your name as it appears on the account. Now, treat your UK bank account like any other bill you're paying. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, this amount can't exceed your available credit limit and might be subject to cash advance fees and interest. Review the details carefully, paying close attention to any warnings about cash advance fees and interest charges. Capital One may treat this as a cash advance, so understand the implications before proceeding. Confirm the transfer. The money will now be sent from your Capital One credit card to your UK bank account. Keep in mind it may take a few business days for the transfer to complete. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from your Capital One credit card to your UK bank account. Be smart about cash advance fees and happy transferring.